What if I told you that the secret to glowing, youthful, and healthy skin is not about using more products, but about using them in a smarter way? Imagine waking up every morning to skin that feels smoother, looks brighter, and finally makes you feel confident enough to face the world without hiding behind heavy makeup or endless filters. This is not just a dream. This is the reality behind a viral skincare trend called skin cycling. And today, you're about to discover why millions of people across the United States are embracing it and how you can do the same. Stay with me until the very end, because the steps are simple, but the results can completely transform the way you see yourself in the mirror. Skin cycling is a method that takes the guesswork out of skincare. Instead of layering countless serums and creams every night and hoping for results, this routine is about giving your skin exactly what it needs in a structured cycle. Think of it like fitness for your skin. Just as your muscles need rest days, to recover and grow, your skin also thrives when you alternate between active treatments and recovery. Dermatologists in the US are calling it one of the smartest ways to maximize results while minimizing irritation, and influencers on TikTok and Instagram have made it explode into one of the most searched topics in beauty today. The core idea is simple. You follow a 4-night cycle that repeats. On the first night, you exfoliate. This removes dead skin cells, unclogs pores, and prepares your skin to absorb treatments more effectively. On the second night, you use a retinoid, which is powerful for anti-aging, boosting cell turnover, and reducing fine lines and wrinkles. Then comes night 3 and night 4, recovery nights. These are dedicated to hydration, soothing, and barrier repair, using products like moisturizers rich in ceramides, peptides, and hyaluronic acid. After those 4 nights, you start the cycle again. It's structured, it's easy to remember, and it works. But here's the fascinating part. The reason skin cycling is going viral is not just because it's simple, but because it speaks to a deeper problem many people face with skincare. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the number of products out there? The endless promises, the confusing ingredient lists, and the frustration of not knowing whether you're doing the right thing? Skin cycling strips all of that away. It gives you a clear plan to follow. No more guessing. No more wasting money on products you don't need. Instead, you get results that you can actually see in the mirror week after week. People across the United States are sharing their before and after photos, and the transformations are incredible. In just a few weeks, skin that looked dull and tired starts to glow. Texture improves, breakouts reduce, and fine lines soften. One reason this works so well is that skin cycling prevents overuse of strong ingredients. A lot of people damage their skin barrier without realizing it by applying retinoids or acids every single night. That leads to redness, peeling, and irritation. By cycling, you allow your skin to benefit from powerful actives while also giving it time to rest and rebuild. Balance is the real magic here. Now you might be wondering, does this work for everyone? The answer is yes, but with adjustments. If you have sensitive skin, you might need to make your cycle a bit gentler, maybe adding an extra recovery night. If your skin is oily or acne-prone, you might notice dramatic results in texture and clarity. And if your goal is anti-aging skin, cycling gives you a sustainable way to use retinoids without the common side effects that make so many people quit. It's flexible, but it always follows the same principle. Push your skin to improve, then let it recover. Imagine this as a story of progress. On day 1, you're setting the stage, clearing away the old to make room for the new. On day 2, you're telling your skin to wake up, renew, and fight signs of aging. Then on days 3 and 4, you're giving it comfort, healing, and strength. This rhythm creates harmony, and over time, the results build up in a way that feels almost effortless. It's like having a personal trainer for your skin, guiding you toward your best version without confusion or stress. And there's more. Dermatologists are now pointing out that skin cycling may actually save you money. Instead of chasing dozens of trendy products, you only need a few essentials: a good exfoliant, a retinoid, and a trusted moisturizer. That's it. quality over quantity. And because your products are working together in a cycle, you use less and get more out of them. In a world where skincare often feels overwhelming, skin cycling is a refreshing reminder that sometimes less is more. Think about how powerful this is. A trend that started as a dermatologist's advice has now become a worldwide movement because it taps into something we all crave: simplicity, effectiveness, and confidence. People aren't just looking for flawless skin. They're looking for control, for clarity, for a way to feel like they're doing the right thing for themselves without wasting time or energy. That's why skin cycling resonates so deeply. It's more than a beauty hack. It's a lifestyle shift. So here's my challenge for you. Don't just watch this and move on. Tonight, start your first cycle. Exfoliate, hydrate, and see how your skin responds. Tomorrow, introduce your retinoid. Then give your skin the gift of recovery. Repeat this for a month and take a picture at the beginning and end. You'll be amazed by the difference. And if you believe that knowledge like this has the power to transform not just skin but confidence and daily life, then share this video with someone who needs it. Together, we can make skincare simple, effective, and empowering again. Before we wrap up, I want to ask you something important. Do you want to be part of a community that values not just beauty, but health and confidence? If the answer is yes, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below sharing your own skincare struggles or victories. Your story might inspire someone else who feels lost in their skincare journey. Remember, the power of this routine is not just in the products, it's in the cycle. And once you start, you'll never look at your skin the same way again. This is more than a routine. It's a revolution, and it starts with you tonight.